Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install VMware WorkStation Pro 17 in Windows 11. So first navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in VMware WorkStation Pro 17, hit enter and you will see different search results. Simply navigate to the one that says vmware.com, Fusion and Workstation. Here you have to simply click on download now. Now it will take you to another page, that is the product section. Select the WorkStation Pro 17 here. So ensure that it's VMware WorkStation 17 Pro. So you'll have to enter your credentials, sign in and you'll be able to download it. Also, you get the download button just right here. When you click on that, it will also take you to this page where you'll have to click on download now button and it is instantly going to take you to this page where you'll have to basically sign in to Broadcom using your user credentials. Once downloaded, locate the VMware WorkStation full .17 exe file, right click and select run as administration for elevated privileges. Then, when the installer opens, read and accept the license terms, click next, select installation location or leave default, then optionally enable shortcuts and enhanced keyboard driver. Also, you can choose if you want to check for product updates at startup, then click next. Then click install to begin the installation process, wait while VMware components are installed and after installation completes, click finish. Then restart PC if prompted to finalize the setup. Then open VMware WorkStation Pro from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Then enter your license key to activate or use the trial version. Additional tips, you can ensure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings for optimal performance. Also, keep VMware WorkStation updated with patches for security and compatibility. Then install VMware tools inside virtual machines after creating them for better functionality. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.